Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn off two-step verification for your Gmail account directly from your mobile phone. This process is straightforward but requires a few specific steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your mobile device and tap on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Swipe right to the Security tab at the top of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down until you find two-step verification and tap on it. Step 5. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. Type it in and tap Next. Step 6. On the two-step verification page, tap on Turn Off at the top of the screen. Step 7. A confirmation dialog will appear warning you about reduced security. If you're sure, tap Turn Off to confirm your decision. And that's it. Your two-step verification is now turned off. Remember, this makes your account less secure, so only disable it if absolutely necessary. Consider turning it back on later for better account protection. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.